is Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. Listen, if you're new here, because I know some of y'all be new, and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay with the pow pow. Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the like button, support your girl. So listen, y'all. Real quick though, Josiah just finished his first week of the 4th grade, you guys. I want to give my big boy a big old shot, my little husky boy, because y'all know he's a little husky boy. Everything he wear now is 10-12 husky. I gotta have a husky because he's a little thick. And so, but he did good his first week, y'all. So I just wanted to give him a little shout out. I want y'all to give him a shout out too. Let me see the emoji with the glasses. And I'll pop it up right here. Let me see that emoji in the comments, because I'm going to have him come by and look through the comments to see y'all shots out for him. But yeah, I'm super proud of him though. His first week is in the books. But listen, y'all, I need 10 offers for $5. Now I was super stoked about it because I'm like, okay, Ibotta, thank you. I mean, like you see, I ain't been hitting these bonuses. It's like week on week on week. Your girl ain't hitting no bonuses. I'm not even doing a whole lot. Like lately, y'all, like look, y'all know it's not even a low key. It's a like, I ain't been doing nothing. Like I just been doing like what I have to do. Like, if I don't have to do nothing, I ain't doing nothing. Like literally, like my haul will be like 5 items and that's it. And I ain't even ashamed. Like, I'm not, like, it be like that sometimes. And so as far as this haul, I need 10. I don't think I'm gonna even hit that, to be honest. I'm not even fronting with y'all. Like the deals are just still not dealing to me. And I'm just not about that life of spending unnecessary money. If I'm honest, guys, I'm just saying, right? And so not sure if I hit it today. Now if something pops up after this video goes up or tomorrow and I hit it, then I do. But if not, it's just what it is. Now I did want to mention real quick with Ibotta and the giveaway thing, because it's a little misleading. I ain't even going. It's misleading, and I think that's what makes it confusing to some people. Is that it is. And like initially, I was like, oh, I can enter every single day because that's what it says. It says enter every 24 hours for more chances to win. But when you read the terms or whatever, there's 5 promotional periods, right? I'll pop it up right here. There's 5 promotional periods, and you can only win 1 time during each period. So like low key, it don't matter how many times you try to win. If you've already won, you've already won. You're not going to win no more than that. So I think the next period starts, because the first one was August 4th to the 26th, and there are times involved. And then the second one is from the 26th. I'll pop it up right here. But basically, yeah. But when it is misleading, because it says, okay, try tomorrow or every 24 hours to win more, when that's not really true. But a lot of you guys did win. A lot of you guys are winning, which is good, because I hate when they do contests and it's like you don't know nobody that ever won. But with this one right here, a lot of you guys are winning, which is really good. And if you haven't yet, just keep trying, because the first period ends on the 26th. So you have up until the 26th before a new period starts. And so I just wanted to mention that. But I'm going to get over here to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching, because this intro was hella long.
So listen, this first deal is on the Blue Diamond almonds. They are priced at $6.28. They have a few different flavors. That one up there, this one down here, priced at $6.28. You'll get back $2.50 on Ibotta, bringing that down to only $3.78. All right, y'all, it's been a while since I've gotten this deal. I'm only doing it today because I am close to cashing out on Checkout 51 in my points, and this will hit both. So we're gonna grab the Hillshire snacking dips and spreads, priced at $2.97. 2 of them is gonna be $5.94. You'll get back 3 on my points, $1.50 total on Checkout 51, bringing them down to only 72 cents each. All right. So next up is the Purina dog chow. It's priced at $1.76, getting back $1 on Ibotta. It makes it 76 cents with the limit of 1. So the Palmolive is priced at $2.82. And for this, there are shop kicks of $1.20, bringing it down to $1.62. Next up is the little dude wipes. They are priced at $17.97. That's for this 6-count box. For this, getting back 5 on Ibotta, a total of $5.40 on Shopkick makes it $7.57. And then there's also a deal on the 3-pack as well. It's priced at $9.97. Getting back $2.50 on Ibotta, a total of $3.20 on Shopkick makes that $5.27. So next up is the Zarbee's. It's on the chest rub. It's priced at $6.28. For this, we do have an offer on Ibotta for $5, bringing that down to $1.28. All right. So next up is the Bonine. It is priced at $7.96. For this, we have a 50% back offer on Ibotta. Bringing you back $3.98 makes it $3.98. And then the other one right here, I think that's the one. The 12-count one is priced at $5.48. And for that one, you're getting back $2.48, so it brings that down to $3. So next up is the FDS Intimates. The cleanser is priced at $4.17, getting back $1.99 on Ibotta, brings that to $2.18. Or you can grab the deodorant. The deodorant cream is cheaper. It's priced at $6.97, getting back $3.49 on Ibotta makes that $3.48. All right, so next up is the Arm & Hammer. It's priced at $3.98, getting back $2 on Ibotta brings it down to $1.98. All right, so the Axe deodorant is priced at $4.97, getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $1.40 kicks on Shopkick, bringing that down to $1.50, blah blah blah. $1.57. You could also grab the Fine fragrance, priced at $5.97. $2 back on Ibotta, $1.40 on Shopkick makes that $2.57. And of course, if you want to get the spray, which is priced at $7.98, getting back $4 on Ibotta, $1.40 on Shopkick brings it down to $2.58. Ooh, look, hang tag Fine, little bolo, be on the lookout. 2 off of 1 and expires in September 6th, 25. So I'm definitely going to snag a couple. Let me see if there's any other coupons over here while we're over here. Nope, no other ones, just the ones on the that agree. All right, so next up is the Check Extreme. They're priced at $6.78. You're getting back $3 on Ibotta. Now I do still have some IPs, which are Knox coupons, meaning they don't expire. I want to try them, but this store doesn't take printables, so I'm not even gonna try, and I'm not driving to the other store just to see if it works. But without the coupon, obviously, it would make it $3.78. With that IP, if it scans, would make it 78 cents. There's also a deal on the Bic as well, priced at $6.74. I believe it's this one here, this one here, and this one here. Getting back $3 on Ibotta brings it down to $3.74. Still is on the Pantene. It's on the Pantene Rescue. They are priced at $7.97. It's either this one here or this one right here, and then you're gonna get back 5 on Ibotta. It brings it down to $2.97 each. I think the limit on that is a limit of 2, and so yeah, not a bad deal if this is something that you use.